So the next question I wanted to ask is, what would you say is the most important part of mental health support? Is it about giving help to those who need it, or educating those around the people who need help in ways they can help whoever are close to the person with mental health struggles?
I think, to be honest, it's a bit of both, because not one person or not one team or not one professional can do everything. And also there's sometimes where you might want someone that you know really well to help you, not someone that's a stranger. So I think it's about having the support there, but also helping other people who know you best, so school teachers or youth workers, to also help you. So I think it's an absolute combination of both would be my sense.
When we see children and young people with a difficulty, we always say, think child, think family, think system around them. So there might be multiple ways of addressing. Sometimes it may be work just with the young person, but quite rightly so, the environment and the social factors play such an important role. So like whoever is closest to the young person also needs to know how to help and support them. So the system around the child is equally important. So it's not either or, but it's both and.